Have you ever heard the saying, it's hard to put a square peg in a round hole? Well, that's what 90% of quote unquote internet marketers are doing, or people who are trying to make money online, whatever you want to call them. What they're doing is they're getting a pre-made sales funnel, and then they're buying solar ad traffic to stuff into that funnel with the concept of selling the product that they purchased themselves. So basically you have one step up to the bat, the swing. Now, the best baseball players in the world struck out, usually a lot. So if you don't get a hit 70% of the time, you're a great baseball player. Well, most baseball players don't get hit, but maybe 1 in 2 in 10 shots. But they're still considered great baseball players, right? On internet marketing, traffic is like a cloud. Unless you get a traffic from a product launch, somebody just did a product launch, let's say they launched some software for blogs. They have a list of people that are buyers and a list of people who are just what we call subs. But they all were interested in software for blog or they wouldn't be there, right? And if you also happen to have something that you can sell that's blogging related, you can get really good conversions off that list. That's what you hear when you hear people going, oh, I'm getting, $1.95 per click. It's really relevant traffic, and it's usually right from a product launch. And the guys who are saying I'm making $10 a click are probably taking buyers and they're promoting high-end ticket offers. Why do I know this? I've done it multiple times. Now, the average person, however, is signing up for a BizOp, which guarantees they're going to make X number of dollars because the guy who launched it did, but the guy who launched it was the original guy, right? What you're doing is you're taking their pre-built sales funnel, which I opt into an awful lot of them as a solar ad provider, and you're buying traffic to it. That traffic comes in, it's a cloud. Out of that cloud, you might find a buyer here, and a buyer there, a buyer there. But you're not going to find buyers like you would from let's say if you're selling blogging products to a guy who just did a blogging product traffic, product launch, who has really relevant traffic. So what you're going to do is you're going to get frustrated because you're you're buying this traffic, solar ads, and it's a cloud, and people get into it, and most are going to say no. Very, very high percentage are going to say no. But they opt into the form, so then the next thing you say, well, our follow-up emails are unbelievable. We're going to convert all these orders for you. Well, I sign up for a lot of these things, and usually 2 to 3, maybe 5 follow-up emails is the total amount of emails you get for that one product. So you're buying all this traffic and you're building this list and you're wasting most of your money. This is why I don't recommend you use canned business opportunities, but that you build your own and that you put in a ton of emails, up to 90 days worth of emails in a sequence, and you sell multiple products. And then even better, if you know how to use either Aweber or GetResponse, like we teach in Bulletproof Email Solution, you can segment your list and find those who are interested in blogging, those who are interested in cryptocurrency, those who are interested in very specific niches, and promote just that targeted component to that list. So traffic is a cloud, and in that cloud are diamonds. If you could sift through and find the red diamonds from the black diamonds from the yellow diamonds, and then promote to those guys the products they want, you're going to do much better. And at the very least, you want to have a long sales funnel and offer multiple products, because I'm a believer that all traffic has the potential to make you money. Even things like pay-per-view, I've done extraordinarily well with. But I actually had to find a way to monetize it. Instead of me expecting it to do what I wanted to do, I found out what it was willing to do, and then I offered the products to them based on what it was willing to do. That's the difference between just, trying to be an idiot that's marketing something online, buying solo ads, and doing it with the marketing mindset where you go, okay, they're not buying this, I'm going to segment my leads into groups and find out what they do want to do and sell them that. That's why guys make millions of dollars or nothing. So if you're going to do this, at the very least, Unique email sequence, 90 days long, multiple products, and if you could segment, all the better.